Hello guys. Ayan, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. At welcome naman kayo sa aking channel. Welcome tayo, bagong vlog na naman tayo guys. Ayan, meron bago ngayon si Mayor Isko na pinalagay ng mga street food vendor dito sa may likod ng Cartelia. Ayan, pila na yung mga bibili ng pagkain. So hindi pa natin alam kung ano mga pagkain meron yan. So mamaya check natin kung ano meron. Kuha muna tayo ng mga dumating kaganapan.
Malasakit at pagbibigayan ng daan ng pag-asenso'y ating makamtan. Nandito sa lungsod ng Maynila, bawat isa ay mahalaga. Tuwing inyong ngiti ay nakikita, kakaibang saya ang nadarama.
our branch is in Legarda. We just started January this year. Tapos we're a bit sad because of, nagkaroon tayo ng di naasahang pangyayari. But then, we were so happy that even though nagkaroon tayo ng mga new normal practices, people still crave a lot. That's why ngayon, we're very thankful for those delivery apps na mo-order sa amin via Foodpanda. So yun, if you were to ask why is it called Maki Waki, actually ang original niya is Waki, and then parang I found it a bit boring, so sabi ko, tagdagan pa ng isang word. So binaliktad ko lang yung W, so naging Maki Waki. And then it's Waki kasi if you can see, if you can notice dun sa aming presentation, it's definitely wala siyang parang perfect plating. We just want it to look wackier because definitely itsura niya parang mukha na siyang satisfying. So yun. It's a quarter pound burger, 100% beef patties. These are Australian beef patties because this kind of beef, hindi sila pumipili ng luma, ng matandang beef. And yun, kami rin gumagawa ng dressing, lahat. Everything is being handmade by me and my family. Ayun po.
It's a store. It's a inline store.
Yes, it's a kiosk type. Kiosk type po.
And you have all these menus.
Yes.
So what's your specialty? Is it the
Yeah, it's more of burgers, side snack like nachos and fries. Yun talaga lang. Ang aming pinaka...
it's more of takeout.
We actually have dine-in. Pero ngayon ma'am, siguro parang 90% of our business depends on takeout via delivery apps. Opo.
Foodpanda.
Foodpanda, GrabFood, and Lola Food. Po? Yes. We have a to-go branch in Mandaluyong. Somewhere sa Acacia Lane. You know that. Tapos, yeah.